Good morning and welcome to Flannel Hill Farm. As you can see, we are going to get some rain, I believe. I mean, it's already drizzling, but when you haven't had rain for a while, I don't think you consider drizzling rain. So, while I was gone last night, the house had some chicken drama. So I'll let you know what that is. I will let you know how we are looking to remedy the drama we had. Try to figure out what happened. And see what we're gonna do from here on out. So I guess to preface this, we have had some instances of chickens being able to just stick their head through the fence and continue their way through the fence. Like, it wasn't shocking them, but it was shocking Big K, the dogs, everybody else. So, we had a few instances like that, but nothing major. And Bentley, the beagle, has been really good at chasing them back in. So, it wasn't a big deal. Well, apparently, last night while I was gone, Big K had what he said was at least 15. We got 23 birds. At least 15 were out of the fence. So, that's a problem. So he had Bentley track them back inside. He had KK guarding it then if they tried to get back out. KK would keep them in. Fence has always been on. Like, none of this has ever happened with the fence off. It's all connected. Everything is done to the instructions given with the fence. So, I don't know. I don't know what to think, because it's super frustrating. I don't know if they're just still too small or what. But at one point while it was on, Big K said he hung onto the fence and it didn't shock him. So I don't know if there's a problem with the fence somewhere. But then it would kind of be all the time. It wouldn't be so intermittent. But I don't know. So my easy kind of catch-all answer for this whole problem at the moment is they stay in the tractor. Now, I say that because I think that they are small enough. So barred rocks and buff Orpingtons are big birds. These birds are going to be big, but they take some time to get that big. And so, I think what's happening is, regardless of slack, so if I show you a spot where it's a little slacking, I think regardless of that, they are small enough right now where they can get some lift. And I think what's happening is they can squeeze through these higher ones. But these guys can get some lift because they're a little smaller, but their wings are nice and big. So I think that's what's happening. I think they're getting through these openings, and that's not going to change even if this was tight. So that's my theory. That's what I'm going with. I think that they need to be a little bit bigger, and then we can maybe talk about letting them out again. But I think the tractor is just the best / safest place right now for them, for us. So that's the idea. And all of this, joints are all there, everything's connected. But I don't know what happened. I don't know. Okay, ladies. I heard you had a rough night. I heard there was a whole lot of lost love last night. Not a lot of happiness going on. What'd you all do? Oh, it's killing me, man. You know what I'm saying? You just can't keep them in. Now I'm trying to move them in the tractor and they're getting out underneath, so. Why can't you just be normal? Yeah, I think they're still just a little small for those holes. No. No, no, no. Here. Here you go, buddy. One more. Come on. Come on. Right here. No. Come here. Come here, Benny. Come on, Benny. Get the chicken, buddy. Get the chicken. Get the chicken. Get him. Get him. Get him, monkey. Get him, monk. Get him, monk. Go on. Go get him. Monkey. Benny. Benny. Come on, Benny. Come on, Benny. Bentley. Right here, buddy. Get the chicken. Get the chicken. Come on, bud. Long. Long. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Okay. So, as to avoid any more of that, we're going to have to keep moving the tractor. But they're getting up underneath the tractor too. So you end up having to chase them and track them down anyways, but at least it's not 15. And at least they're not outside where they can get predators can take them. So, for now, we're going to work with the tractor. I got to lower the feed. I got to figure out what's going on with the rooster. And actually feed them some more. So, that's what we're going to do now. Okay. You guys made life super difficult last night. No. Okay, so we have a problem. Big K lost a shoelace yesterday. I've been calling them shoelaces. They're these things that you can tie two fences together with. So now I'm gonna need him to come out here and help me. So, on your way back down the hill, if you wouldn't mind liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that little bell notification button. And if you've ever had a problem like this before with your Premier One fencing, please let me know what you did to fix it, what happened. Any ideas, anything to help us out would be fantastic. And I appreciate y'all.